Hey guys, David Rishka here, and today I wanna record a short video talking about problems and goals. And after looking at goals and problems at a really close distance the past couple of years, I think it's safe to say that goals create problems, and problems create goals. If you think about it for a moment, every time you create a new goal for yourself, you automatically set yourself on a new journey from the point where you are to the point where you're gonna achieve your goals. And that distance from that point A to point B is gonna be full of obstacles or problems, or some people like to call them challenges. It's important to know and expect those challenges and difficulties and face them head on when they appear. A lot of people they set new goals for themselves, and when they, I guess they kind of mentality that everything happens easy and should happen easy and without effort. So when they have the first challenges or problems on the way to the goal, they quit. They don't keep working on the problem, solve it. They don't even try to break the problem down into smaller pieces if it is a big problem, and then solve it, and then keep going, stepping forward. So that's what I wanted to say about that, about setting up goals and expecting challenges. Okay, do not think for a moment that everything in life will happen instantaneously. And if you see any opportunity online somewhere, somebody's promoting some product or service, or tell you that join this or join that, and you will instantly start making money. Uh, we are not kids anymore, we don't believe in fairy tales. Life doesn't work like that, okay? Every time you have a new goal, or you start something new, you start a new business, for example, you have to expect challenges. And the difference between successful and unsuccessful people are that successful people face the challenges, they expect them, and they solve them, and they keep moving forward. Okay, just never stop dreaming, never stop working on yourself, never stop educating yourself, because the more you educate yourself, the easier it will be to solve your problems. Your A lot of your problems will also create new opportunities, and a lot of problems will also teach you a lot of lessons. So I think it's a good idea to welcome challenges and problems, because once you solve them, you learn something new. And if you have similar problem in the future, then you will know exactly what to do, or in which direction to go to solve that problem. All right, but that's what I wanted to talk about today. Just a short video. I hope everybody is doing great. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Um, you can email me directly also, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. If you are still sitting on the fences, not sure if you should start learning new skills, sorry, new skills, how to generate money online, then I'm gonna leave a link below this video with my #1 recommendation for how to generate income on the internet. Okay, and be careful who you're gonna choose, who you're gonna join with, and know that there is a lot of shiny objects out there promising you high heavens. If you just press this magic button, the heavens will open and you'll be rich and millionaire. Life doesn't work like that. You have to work on yourself. You have to learn new skills, you have to overcome challenges, and you have to be persistent and expect success, and you will get there. Okay. With that being said, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. David Ishka here.